Hey there, Julie here from Julie Designs. In this video, I just wanted to share with you these mandala drawing templates that I've created for Procreate, and you can get them for free from my website. It's juliedesigns.com, and if you navigate there, you can go to the download section of my website, and you can see it right there on the top, mandala drawing templates for $0, and you can go ahead and add this to your cart. And because it's $0, it's not going to prompt you to pay for anything, so you can add it to your cart and then go through the steps to proceed to the cart. And you'll have to enter your email address and some contact information, and if you want to receive my newsletter, you can leave that checked off, and then you'll be notified when I add more freebies or blog posts, etc. to my website. So you'll see here it says to proceed to PayPal, but it didn't make me go to PayPal because this product is free. So once you get to this screen, you can go ahead and download these templates, and so you can see here it came up, and just click on download. And now I'm going into my files and going to recents, and actually it's also under downloads or recents. You should be able to find it in both places, and if you just tap on that, you can see that the brush set opened there. You can click on that and it'll automatically import it into Procreate for you because it is designed as a brush set, so it makes it really easy to import it. And just to demonstrate how it works, I just created a new square canvas, and I'm going to go into my brushes and select a black or a dark gray color. And going into brushes, you can see you should have the brush pack installed, and it's Mandala Templates by Julie Designs. And so if you click on that one, you can see there's two different templates. So I have like a simple and then a more complex template. So now I'm just going to turn up the size a little bit, and I'm just going to go ahead and tap my template right in the middle of the canvas. You can see how that looks. And now I'm going to use my move tool and turn on the snapping and magnetics, and then I'm just going to snap this into the middle of my canvas just to make sure it's right in the center there. So now you can see it's on its own layer, and I'm just going to turn down the opacity a little bit. And I'm gonna create a new layer on top. So I'm not drawing right on my template, I'm just using it as a guide essentially. So I'm gonna select a marker or a different brush to use for my mandala. And we can actually use this template with our symmetry tool. So I'm gonna go up to the wrench icon and click on canvas, and then turn on the drawing guide, and then edit drawing guide. And from here you go into symmetry, and then options, and then I'm going to turn on the radial guide and make sure the assisted drawing is on as well. And I'm just going to change the color of my guide to make sure that I can see it really well. So I'm just changing it to like a bright pink color, turn the thickness and the opacity all the way up so it's very clear where the lines are, and then you can hit done. And now you can use this template with the symmetry tools just to make your mandala drawing even easier, and just make sure that you can add even more details to your mandala drawings. So now I'm just demonstrating how you can use this template to draw your mandalas. I'm also just going to quickly demonstrate the complex template as well, but if you have any questions about how to use this template, please let me know in the comments below, and I hope you will find this useful for your mandala drawings. So head over to juliedesigns.com and download it now. Yeah, enjoy. I'd love to see your mandalas that you create using this template. You can tag me on Instagram at juliedesigns, and please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you like this sort of content, if you like digital art content and mandala art and Procreate tutorials like this. So there you go. That's just like a really quick one that I whipped up using this template. And you can see that it just makes it a little bit easier to have some of those extra guidelines just to help you to create your mandala art. So yeah, I hope you liked this video. Let me know what you thought in the comment section below, and we'll see you in my next video. Cheers.